Starting around 30 November 2023, torrential slide truly is exchanging at $21 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.07% in every way that really matters, most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive way. Avax in every way that really matters has an all-out market cap of $7,667,495,788, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $363,258,404, which most certainly is very huge. This in a real sense makes torrential slide, Avax, in every way that really matters, positioning at 13 in the cryptographic money market in an unobtrusive way. In the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the torrential slide cost forecast finish of 2023, what will torrential slide basically be especially worth in 2023, or so they explicitly thought. Is torrential slide a very wise venture or especially worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Will Avax cost really outperform its untouched sort of high in an unpretentious manner? These explicitly are our torrential slide cost expectations for Avax's future, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. Torrential slide, Avax, value expectation 2023 as per the torrential slide conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Avax cost truly is supposed to cross a normal value level of $22.78, the normal exceptionally least value worth of torrential slide toward the finish of the especially current year ought to essentially be $21.74, or so they truly thought. Besides, Avax can truly arrive at a sort of greatest value level of $23.62, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Torrential slide value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of torrential slide most certainly is supposed to be at around at least $20.03, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Torrential slide cost can sort of arrive at a truly limit of $22.53, with the in every practical sense, normal cost of $21.90 in United States dollars, exhibiting that torrential slide value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of torrential slide fundamentally is supposed to truly be at around an essentially least of $20.03, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. Torrential slide, Avax, value estimate December 2023. The torrential slide, Avax cost for December 2023 may essentially arrive at a truly least worth of $21.74, while the truly greatest determined value sort of is around $23.62, or so they generally thought. The typical cost for Avax really is basically anticipated to sort of reach $22.78 in December 2023 in a kind of significant way. Torrential slide kind of past value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours, the crypto especially has been basically diminished by 0.33% in its really current worth, so torrential slide value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of torrential slide basically is supposed to be at around an essentially least of $20.03, or so they certainly thought. Assuming we by and large think about the very current market cap of the Avax with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap in every practical sense is likewise down, or so they especially thought. From very most recent 7 days, the Avax especially was in excellent vertical pattern and expanded by 0.98%, showing how torrential slide especially past value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours, the crypto sort of has been by and large diminished by 0.33% in its exceptionally current worth, so torrential slide value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of torrential slide basically is supposed to basically be at around an extremely least of $20.03, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Torrential slide especially has shown areas of strength for especially potential recently, and this could be genuinely great chance to in every way that really matters, dive right in and contribute, pretty further appearance how the by and large normal cost for Avax generally is basically anticipated to reach $22.78 in December 2023, which generally is very critical. Inside the for the most part most recent 1 month, the cost of Avax basically diminished by 1.132%, dispensing with an incredible fundamentally normal amount of $0.2403 from its in every way that really matters current worth, or so they basically thought. This unexpected down for the most part implies that the coin sort of is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can basically be a decent certainly purchase a valuable open door for truly speedy interest in a fundamentally large manner. The 90 days cost change sort of is around 15.28%, and the cost truly flowed from an in every practical sense, least exceptionally normal cost of $16.54 to fundamentally greatest sort of normal cost of $18.27 in the genuinely beyond 90 days. Which by and large shows that the 90 days cost change certainly is around 15.28%. And the cost in a real sense coursed from a sort of least kind of typical cost of $16.54 to especially most extreme most certainly normal cost of $18.27 in the genuinely beyond 90 days, which explicitly is genuinely critical. In for the most part most recent 4 months torrential slide by and large has shown a developing pattern, or so they really thought. Consequently, we in a real sense feel that comparable pieces of the market for the most part were very famous at that period, exhibiting how this unexpected down generally implies that the coin especially is in plunge at the present time. Implying that it can in a real sense be a fundamentally decent essentially purchase an open door for by and large fast interest in a really significant manner. As indicated by indisputably the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of torrential slide certainly is expanded from 4 months, so as per the practically the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of torrential slide for the most part is expanded from 4 months in every way that really matters, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The exchanging volume comprises a crucial job in its value, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. The coin generally is up by 42.48%. With the especially greatest kind of typical cost of the coin basically was around $11.78, and the truly least genuinely normal cost of in every practical sense was around $11.56 in genuinely beyond 4 months. So torrential slide, Avax, value expectation 2023 as per the torrential slide figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Avax cost most certainly is supposed to in every practical sense cross a kind of normal value level of $22.78, the normal certainly least value worth of torrential slide toward the finish of the truly current year ought to explicitly be $21.74. Really as opposed to mainstream thinking. Torrential slide value gauge 2023 facts. What will in a real sense be torrential slide most certainly worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? The Avax cost generally is gauged to for the most part arrive at a very greatest degree of $23.62, with genuinely least cost of $21.74 toward the finish of 2023. Which truly shows that hence, we basically imagine that comparable pieces of the market truly were very famous at that period, exhibiting how this unexpected down in every practical sense implies that the coin for the most part is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can basically be a great for the most part purchase an open door for kind of fast interest.